Hope you're doing well, and I'm again back for telling you all the easiest way to solve these problems. Cool. So you can see I'm going to solve this problem number 53, that is maximum subarray. Here it's given that it's a integer array nums, okay, and you have to find the largest sum of the subarray, right? So what is actually subarray? It's actually contiguous number in the arrays, okay? So you should know the basic difference between subarray and subsequence. Cool. So you have to take the number continuously, okay? You can't skip a number in the subarray. So when I see that we got an array and we have to find the largest sum, right? Like any subarray which gives us the largest sum. Cool. And its output at 6, you can see here it is given in the explanation that they have taken this subarray which starts from this 4 and ends on this 1, right? And this subarray is giving me the largest sum, that is 6. You have to give this sum, right? So what approach you can think of is the naive approach can be that you can find all the subarrays, okay, and then find all the sums and then give the largest sum, okay. That can be the approach. But when you try to find all the subarrays, right, and then find all the sum and then like compare the sum and give the largest sum, that might be like giving me the time complexity that I don't recommend or that I don't want, right? But it's a brute force approach. So yes, you can do it with like using a for loop or any loop. Like you will be using a for loop with I, and inside that loop you will be using another loop, right? And then you can do these things like do a current sum and check if it is largest. Then if the current sum got largest, please replace the max sum with it, correct? But now I am going to tell you the best optimized solution for this. What I am going to do in the solution is that you can see we got an array, right? We have to give the like largest sum in which from any subarray, right? What I'll be doing, let me take you to my whiteboard right here. You can see, right? Here I got this array, right? I'll be taking a variable which is current sum. This current sum will be storing whatever the current sum we are having, like whatever the current sum is, I'll be putting in this variable. Now if my current sum got greater than the max sum, I'll be updating my max sum, correct? But there's the like restriction I'll gonna put, that if I ever get the negative value while traversing this array, I'll be again putting my current sum at 0. Why I am doing this? Please try to understand this. If I am going to put the negative value, I know that it's not gonna be the largest sum, right? It's not never gonna be the largest sum. So I try to avoid the negative value. So whenever I see that my current sum has been negative, I'll be putting my current sum again 0. Simple. And if our current sum got greater than max sum, I'll be updating my max sum. Cool. Let's start reversing. Okay, let's say we are at here at this index 0. Okay, now when we are here, I see that this is -2. Please add it in the current sum whatever is there, right? -2 I has been added, like right here, -2. Now I'll be checking if my current sum got greater than max sum, and initially I was having very minimal value in the max sum. So -2 is, yeah, kind of better than that minimum value, right? I'll be updating my max sum, so my max sum would become -2, correct? maximum would become -2. Now I have put the restriction I have told you about, that whenever I see that there is like negative value, our current sum is having negative value, I'll be putting my current sum again 0. So I'll be told you what I am going to do. I have to just remove this, because this is like negative, right? I have to put 0 in here. So this is again 0. Now I have reversed again. Now let's move our pointer. When I come to here, this is 1. Add in the current sum. So current sum would be what? 1. 1 for sure, correct? When it is 1, I'll be checking if our current sum 1 got greater than the max sum. Yes, it is obviously greater. Please update my max sum. Okay, max sum would become 1 now. Cool. Now I'll be checking if my current sum is negative. No, it is not. Okay, don't bother then. Now my pointer is okay. It had got okay. Let's see. So now my pointer got at -3, right? When it is -3, what I'll be doing? I'll be knowing, okay, if it's -3, let's add. So it will become what? -2, right? I'll be adding in the current sum, right? I have added in the current sum, so it has become -2. Now I'll be checking if our max like current sum got greater than max sum, which is not true, so don't bother. But now I again see that my current sum has again become negative. I don't want this. Please put current sum 0 again. I'll be putting current sum 0 again. I wanted this. Cool. Now move the pointer. Okay. Now you can see I got this 4 right here. I'll be adding it in the current sum. So my current sum has become what? 4. 4, right? You can see. I'll be checking if my current sum got greater than max sum. If it is greater than max sum, yes it is. Please update my max sum. Okay, I have updated my max sum like this. Right, I have updated my max sum. Now what I'll be doing next? Is I'll be checking if the current sum is the negative value. No, a current sum is not negative value. Okay, move. Okay, let's try to take this, right? When I see this, I'll be adding it in the current sum. So this will become 3. Right? Now I'll be checking if my current sum got greater than max sum. No. So I won't be bothering. Now I can see if our current sum is negative. No. Okay, move. I'll be moving to the next. When I'll be moving to the next, you can see I got 2. I'll be adding it in the current sum. So current sum would become 5. Now our current sum would become 5. I'll be checking if my current sum got greater than max sum. So if yes, I'll be updating my max sum. So I have to update. I have updated. Okay, now I'll be checking if my current sum is negative. No, it is not. Okay, then move. Now I'll be moving. I have come to this element, which is 1. I'll be updating my current sum, so add this, right? So it will become 6. I'll be checking if my current sum got greater than max sum. So is it greater than max sum? Yes, it is. Update max sum. Okay, so here it will be 6. Now I'll be checking if my current sum is negative. No, it is not. Okay, move. I'll be moving next. When I'll be moving here, you can see I'll be adding it in the current sum, right? So it will become what? 1. I'll be again checking if my current sum got greater than max sum. No. If it is negative, no. Don't bother. Move. When I'll be moving to here, you can see right here. It has become what? 4. Okay. So what I'll be doing, I'll be adding in the current sum. So it will become 5. So I'll be checking if my current sum got greater than max sum. 5 is greater than 6. No. Don't bother. Check if it is negative. No. Okay. What you will be doing? You will be increasing the pointer. You will be getting out of the loop, right? So you will be giving the max sum. Max sum is 6. Okay. Let's see if our output matches with whatever we did till now. Yes, it does. Let's see the code right now. So here's the Java code. I have already checked it out. You can see what we are doing. We are storing in the max sum, as I told you, the minimum value. Then we are having the length of the array, and then the current sum that I told you. And I will be traversing from 0 to n. And what I'll be doing, I'll be always adding whatever the current element in the current sum, then checking if my current sum got greater than max sum, please update my max sum. Okay, if our current sum got negative, less than 0, please put my current sum 0 again. Cool. Return the max sum. You will be getting to know it. So in this optimized solution, the time complexity is big O of n, because we are touching each element one time only. This is the most optimized solution you can find. Okay, so you know that we have optimized the time complexity and space complexity. In this, we are not using any extra space, and we are traversing this array for one time only. And I hope you like my explanation. And if you want to give any opinion, any suggestions, or any improvement, you can comment down below. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please suggest things and the questions you want me to describe, or like to make you understand in a better way. Cool. Okay, then see you in the next video. Bye.